Good weather. I ate like that. I'm never gonna trust you with the weather.
I told his ass it's gonna be warmer later on today. The high is 60. That don't mean when we get here.
Shit, but still, like, bro.
It's cold, dude. It got colder.
Oh yeah.
For sure. Oh shit. What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to channel Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today we are out and about. It is, what's today's date? January what? 25th. And we are out here today, man. It's a overcast today. What's the temperature? 40 what? 48 right now. But it's supposed to get up to 60, about 60 degrees today. Supposed to. So, today, man, we got Trey back out with us, man. Old Trey on the road king over here just getting it. So, he's gonna come out and hang out with us. And then, of course, you know you got your boy Joel in the house. So, we're gonna roll out, man. We're gonna go to Old Montgomery Steakhouse, have some breakfast real quick. And then from there, we're just gonna fucking take off to the Woodlands Harley. They're having an event over there today. So, we're gonna go check it out, man, and see what's going on over there with the new 2025 Harley lineup. So, we're gonna see what's cracking with that. And then that's it. We'll take you along, man, and see you or let you see everything that we're doing today, and then hopefully we don't get rained on. It's supposed to rain a little bit later on, but hopefully we don't get rained on, and it'll warm up a little bit. So we'll see you in a little bit. Check it out. See you. Save, hey, I'm gonna get you a shirt that says "Save the clutches." Save your clutches. Just trying. Oh, is it Advent Black?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The traction supply bars,
Risers, everything.
Yeah, everything.
Dude, that's the one you need, bro.
Yeah, it's the ST.
Yep. Thing is slick. I do like that.
I think it's called like electric blue or something like that.
I don't remember now. I don't remember, but yeah, I like that, dude. Looks good. They do got the 25 in here with the flames on it. Let's see if I can show you all that one real quick. This one got that flames on there.
I like the white one. I don't know the white one.
Oh, I like the white one too, dude. Big time.
I was always like that one bag, one of his bags.
Alright, y'all, we ended up leaving on Woodlands Harley Davidson. Trey actually got some stuff from there, so that's cool. He's gonna soup up his bike. That thing gonna be doing wheelies after he puts on what he got. And then, so now we're over here to, we came to Thistle Draftshop. So we're gonna come check this out, man. I ain't never been here before. So we're gonna check it out, see what it's about, and I'm sure they'll have some good beer, so we're gonna go in there and check that out. So I guess we'll get with y'all after a little bit, see what happens. It looks like it's about to start raining, so I'm a little worried. Huh? Huh? Joel been crying the whole damn morning. What you been saying?
I don't like cold weather.
Ah, dang. Hey.
Cold weather, plus it's about to rain. And he probably think that it was gonna be sunny and hot and shit.
Hey, you know who I miss? I miss Gabriel. I miss the brother-in-law. He never bitched like that.
It's all nice over here.
Bro, we miss you, bro. We miss you. You need to come out with us, man. Huh? Miss him big time, man. So, all right, let's get in here and see what they got. See. All right, y'all, we're over here, man. It's not a bad little spot, man. It looks pretty cool. We got a lot of beer on tap. And big screens back here as well. So, what'd you end up getting, Joel?
Ghost Machine.
Ghost Machine.
It's good.
Ghost Machine, and then Trey got a soda. And then I ended up getting from the Spindle Top Proper Pilsner. So,
Don't drink and drive.
don't drink and drive, kids. Yeah, we're gonna drink and then drive.
Yeah.
That's the way to do it. But anyway, they serve food and everything here, man. So if you ever get a chance, y'all come check it out, man. What is it, Draft House and all?
Thistle Draft.
Thistle Draft. So y'all come check it out, man. Oh yeah, look, there's a bunch of stuff on there. Look at that. Oh shit, I can't see it because it's dark. Let me see that thing. Yeah, look, they got all kinds of stuff, man. So yeah, y'all check them out if you get a chance. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. All right, kinfolk, we over here at this Mad Llama Brewing Company, man, and this is a nice little spot, bro. So if y'all end up coming out here, check it out. Look, Mad Llama Brewing. So really cool spot. We're having a good time, man, and it's a nice little hidden gem, man. So if y'all get a chance, y'all check them out. Check them out on Instagram and Facebook, and then come stop by. It's not far, over in Spring. So we'll holler at you later, man, and we're having a great time. So we'll see you.